Nice and quiet, isn't it?
Beautiful. Well done.
I forgot my idle up switch.
Landing.
Landing.
Big side. Stick to the left.
So what's going on, Mr. Dole? Are you,
It's running fucking beautiful.
not everyone needs a hero. You don't have to do exactly what I have to do.
Running beautiful.
Hey?
Say that to the world.
Show us what you got, Antonio.
What do you reckon? Idle up. Idle down. Idle all around. Righto. Let's go and see what happens.
A bit of covering coming off by the look of it.
Yeah. Get all the air bubbles out. How's he going off the strip?
Down the side was yeah, right out there, both off the strip. Hey, still got that little. Yeah, every so often a pop. Yeah, better than what it was earlier.
Be good fun if the bloke on the sticks could fly it. Better with a cowl on it too. Oh. You talk about anybody? You can talk about Tony, can't we? What'd you call me?
You got a bit of covering coming off too, have you? Or
Yeah, it's designed to do that for effect.
yeah, okay. Like streamers, Streamers, yeah. Well, you had enough to do. Putting tape on every time you fly it. It sounds a bit better than before. Yeah, it's better. I reckon Cow can go back on now.
Everyone's an expert, Graham Dole, aren't they?
Compared to?
Compared to...
Don't mention that.
No. I just remembered I got record on.
Oh, no, that's your other arm flapping, I think.
I think thought it was someone's gums flapping.
His scarf's gone. Yeah, slave off the pilot. You brave pilot, get in the plane with him, I tell you. The wing walker, he's hanging on. Yeah, don't touch it.
Righto. We'll come in.
Score this for you.
Yeah, okay.
Wheels down.
Yeah.
He's good with wheel spats on it too, Tony.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Good on you, Leanne.
Oh yeah, wheel spats.
Oh,
That's a 10.
Wow.
solid.
Out of 100.
Graham, turn around so we can see on camera.
I'm busy.
You busy?